Alright, so this is how to make your car sound 100 times better within like 5 seconds. The fuck? You gotta have earplugs. Alright, safety first, peeps. This is about to sound good because I have high flow cats and no resonator, so it's about to be like pop 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 pop. This is daily driver, so I don't think I'm gonna have it for a long time like this. But in the meantime, let's just do it because I am about to start working a lot and I won't see you guys in a little bit. See that, kids? That's why you wear your guard, your grinder guard, and you stand back. So annoy the neighbors. You hear it, Calvin? Yep, good. It was a little too loud. Worst comes to worst, I'll just put like an aftermarket straight through muffler, like a MagnaFlow. That thing's heavy, dude. Alright, as low as that boy. So I cannot get my neighbors mad. We're gonna go ahead and go somewhere so we can hear some startup and revs and all that. It's right there. That's my resonator 3. Dude, this is stupid loud. I shouldn't have listened to the internet. Like, I'm gonna get in trouble. Just like. Oh my god. Yeah, this is ridiculous. I don't have my GoPro, but you'll hear it. It's like so loud to the point where it's funny. That's how loud it is. And it's to the point where it's scary to drive because I don't want to get in trouble. But let's rip on it a little bit. This is stupid loud, guys. This is stupid loud. We're gonna go crazy right now. Okay, I can't drive this car. This is stupid loud. Okay, time to mellow out. We're gonna just drive really coasting home. This is way too loud, and there's usually cops right here, so we're gonna go high gear. Okay. Yeah, I do not recommend this. I was so much happier with my resonator delete. But yeah, this is how to make your car sound 10 times better. Do not recommend it unless you live where it's allowed. It sounds good, don't get me wrong, I would love to have this. It's just a little too obnoxious for my behalf. Alright, we're under the tunnel right now. Yeah, this is way too loud. I'll see you guys back at the house. What's up, fellas? Alright, this is really the main reason why I can't do this. I'm currently going to work on a Saturday. It is 4:30. Gotta be there at 5. And this is why I need to fix this. Forgive me, neighbors. Here we go. 4:30. And I sound like this. What's up, fellas? Just got off work. And it's time to fix this. I just want to give a brief little rundown. So it's time to fix this. We're gonna throw this muffler on. If you guys, I'm not gonna show the process, but if you guys do want to see the process, it'll be a separate little small video. This mainly was to show you like how loud and ridiculous it is to have a straight pipe, because it's basically straight pipe aftercats. So if you want to do that, do it. Just find out if it's legal in your state, because it's not legal in California. I could get a ticket. That's why I haven't been driving my car. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this bad boy on. Just a cheap little muffler. But yeah, my thoughts on this. It's really, really fun to drive, but if you're considering other people that are next to you, maybe they have their window down, you're gonna hurt their ears. It's a little obnoxious, but personally, if I lived alone, I would have my car like this. This is so fun. I rip on it. Like you see in the video, I just could not stop laughing. Alright, just throw a little extra sound clip in there for you guys. Because I was holding the camera, I was everywhere. But alright, so you get a little. Oh man, especially when you're going in corners, I think it's so fun. But if someone has their window open, you're literally gonna be like, they're gonna hate you. Like you probably get the middle finger. And it's a little bit ridiculous because not only you're screaming super loud, you're not really going that fast. And it does feel like I lost back pressure so it kind of feels a little sluggish or slow. This is why we need race cars, because if you have race cars, you only drive them on the track. And it's okay to be loud. Yeah, this is too loud, y'all. Alright, well I'm gonna go put the muffler on. Hopefully it just fixes everything. I'm gonna miss driving like this though. I'm gonna miss all that obnoxious, annoying sounds that people think. Alright fellas, peace.